In this video, you'll learn how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp in just a few minutes, so you can clean up your chat list and keep your messaging app distraction-free. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Meta AI usually appears as a chat or a circle icon at the top of your conversations list, ready to be used. Next, understand that you can't fully delete Meta AI from WhatsApp since it's built into the app. However, you can hide the chat, archive it, or stop interacting with it so it never appears in your main chat list. Now, to archive Meta AI, swipe left on the chat or press and hold it, then tap the archive icon. This will move the conversation to your archive chats, keeping it out of your main inbox completely. After that, you can also mute notifications. Open the Meta AI chat, tap the contact name at the top, and select Mute Notifications. Choose to mute it forever so it never sends you any alerts or pings again. Once you've done this, Meta AI won't bother you in your daily WhatsApp use. If you ever need it back, just open your archive chats and unarchive it, or search for Meta AI in the search bar. And that's it. You now know how to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp experience and keep your chats clean and focused.